Lesson 6, Part 1. Vocab. First, tabemasu, to eat. Ringo o tabemasu, to eat an apple. Second, nomimasu, to drink. Mizu o nomimasu, to drink water. Third, suimasu, smoke or inhale. Tabako o suimasu, to smoke a cigarette. Fourth, mimasu, to see. Terebi o mimasu, to watch television. Fifth, kikimasu, to listen. Ongaku o kikimasu, to listen to music. Sixth, yomimasu, to read. Manga o yomimasu, to read a manga. Seventh, kakimasu, to write. Tegami o kakimasu, to write a letter. Eighth, kaimasu, to buy. Bento o kaimasu, to buy a lunchbox. Ninth, torimasu, to take a photograph. Shashin o torimasu, to take a photograph. 10th, shimasu, to do. Tennisu no renshu o shimasu, to practice tennis. Grammar point 1. Noun o verb transitive. The particle o is used to indicate the direct object of a transitive verb. Example, juice o nomimasu. I drink juice. Grammar point 2. Noun o shimasu. A fairly wide range of nouns are used as objects of the verb shimasu, which means the action denoted by the noun is performed. For example, to play sports and games. Example, sakka o shimasu, to play soccer. Second, hold gatherings or events. Example, party o shimasu, to throw a party. Third, do something. Example, shukudai o shimasu, to do homework.